Good day, folks. This is Greg Judy at Green Pastures Farm. Today we have got a real special. We've got 11 7/8 South Pole heifers. These are located in Soldier, Kansas. They have been 100% forage raised, no grain, no antibiotics, no hormones. They're just ready to grow out onto your herd. Make your own herd. They're going to be their hot wire broke, they're very docile, they've been handled the right way, and they're ready for somebody's farm. You can buy one or you can buy 11, however many you want. It's going to be a website auction on greenpasturesfarm.net, and these are some just phenomenal animals. You can look around and you're not going to find anything better. This big a group, 11 of them, and that's, for starting a herd, that's kind of the number you're looking at. Just keep the heifers out of these groups and build your own herd from there if you want to get bigger. But man, tell you what, you're not going to find cattle like this at the sale barn. Just nice, thick, got good build to them. 7/8 South Pole. Just a nice set of heifers for somebody. But anyway, if you're interested, check it out, greenpasturesfarm.net. We are going to have the auction open here very soon, and it'll be closing on Wednesday night, this coming Wednesday night. So I might even close it Tuesday night. I don't know. I haven't decided. I'm going to post it on the website, but if you're interested, check it out. These are a really nice set of females. I've been just getting lambasted with people looking for South Pole females. So here they are, 7/8. Just unbelievable. They were born last September, October, and they've been weaned and are ready to go on the grass and grow out and get them upsized and put a really nice South Pole bowl on them. And we're going to be having some of those too posted here pretty soon. We've got some really nice ones coming up. Some 2-year-olds out of North Missouri, just super South Pole bulls. Anyway, check it out, and maybe we'll see you at the auction. Take care.